how you are going to check this inflatable life
Okay,
jacket?
this is inflatable life jacket. This one calling a double chamber. Double chamber means got two sides of actuation. You can see from here. Just now I remove the cartridge, and both side got cartridge and actuator. That's why they call double chamber. If single chamber means one side only have, one side nothing. Okay. Then it's normal inspection. We need to check this cartridge. You can see any hole here. Normally can weighing also check it is full or not. You see from the how many grams here. Then inside got a bobbin. So the water activation. You get it the water, it auto activation. Yeah, this is the bobbin. Hello bobbin. So called hello bobbin.
Okay.
So you need to check this one expiry or not.
Okay.
This one don't have expiry date. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing. Put it back again. You can put this one also first.
Okay.
Close until tight, see the green color.
Okay.
If activate means they will come automatically red color. The spring will up, will show red color.
So for checking, you can check if the color is red. That means that it is already activated.
Yeah, correct. So both sides are same. So you want to check this pin. So inside got one pin. The pin is activate this cartridge,
okay.
CO2 cartridge. So you can pull this and check. Now you can see the pin is come out, right?
Yeah, pin is there. Yes.
It's one
Yes.
function test,
Okay. Okay. So this is the three things you will check.